To get started, deploy a Fedora 42 server. We need to install GRD and GDM. These are the minimum requirements for setting up RDP. This will also pull down dependencies for a minimal GNOME desktop. We'll also need a user to log in to using RDP. Let's create one and set a password. We need a TLS certificate to encrypt and secure the RDP connection, which we can create using a utility from the free RDP package. This gives us the WinPR make cert utility. Let's use it to create a certificate in the remote desktop user's home directory. And let's use grdctl to tell the remote desktop daemon to use the key pair we just generated. Lastly, let's set up some credentials for authenticating with the RDP service. Enable the system daemon for GRD with the grdctl utility. We've installed a lot of system-level packages, so this is a good time to reboot. We just need to start the service and make sure we can access it. One way is to edit our firewall configuration and expose the RDP service to the internet and connect that way, but I don't recommend this. Your RDP server will be hammered by bots trying to brute force their way in, and this could cause the service to fall over and cease serving connections. You could prevent this by using an IP whitelist and a VPN, but the easiest way is to hide the RDP service behind SSH. We can use our SSH client to forward our computer's local 3389 port to the server's 3389 port and connect to the server with an RDP client like Remina. This time, connect to the server using the -L option. Now, we can enable and start the remote desktop service. It's now listening on port 3389, which will be forwarded to our local computer's port. We're ready to connect via RDP. Open your RDP client and connect to localhost :3389 using the credentials you created earlier. We're in. We can log into our user, and a desktop session will be started. You can leave the session at any time and reconnect right where you left off. You can set up as many users as you like and start a session for all of them from the login screen.